Are you guilty of lifestyle creep? It's a phenomenon that affects many of us, and it can be a trap that keeps you living paycheck to paycheck, or even worse, in debt. At first, it seems harmless. You get a raise, so you upgrade your car or move to a nicer apartment. But over time, these small increases in spending can accumulate and lead to a much higher cost of living. What's worse is that lifestyle creep can be addictive. Once you get used to a certain level of comfort and luxury, it can be tough to go back to a simpler life without feeling like you're missing out. Your expectations and desires can adjust based on what you're used to, leading to a vicious cycle of always needing more to feel satisfied. But lifestyle creep is not just an emotional trap. It's a financial one too. The more money you spend on unnecessary things, the less you have to invest in your future, save for emergencies, or donate to the causes that you care about. It can make it harder to achieve financial goals like buying a house, starting a business, or even retiring comfortably. So how can you avoid and overcome lifestyle creep? First, you need to define your goals. What matters most to you? What do you want to achieve in life? When you have a clear sense of purpose, you'll be less likely to spend on things that don't align with your values, and it will help you reach your goals quicker. Secondly, create a budget and stick to it. Make a list of your fixed expenses and anything that you spend that you don't need to, and allocate your income accordingly. There's loads of apps online or in the App Store that you can use to track your spending, and they're really helpful. Even if you don't want to make big lifestyle changes, you can still see any sort of subscriptions that might be taking money out of your bank that you don't use anymore. Third, automate your savings and investments. Set up an automatic transfer from your bank to your saving accounts or retirement account that you can put a little bit of money into every time you get paid. This way, you'll pay yourself first and let the money grow over time, because you won't see it in your bank account as it gets moved instantly. Next, practice gratitude and contentment. Instead of always wanting more, appreciate what you have already. Cultivate a sense of gratitude for your health, your relationships, your expenses, and your possessions. And remember that happiness doesn't come from things, but your meaningful connections and activities. So, buying a new car won't solve your problems, but going on a holiday or experiencing something with friends and family will always benefit you more. And finally, surround yourself with supportive people. If you find like-minded people who can encourage you to save, invest, or live below your means, it will be easier to break this cycle of lifestyle creep. Also, if you don't have these types of friends, you can always join online communities that can keep tabs of you and make sure you're not falling for lifestyle creep, and stay motivated. But remember, lifestyle creep is not a one-time event. It's a gradual process that can accumulate over years and decades. By being mindful, intentional, and disciplined, you can avoid the trap of lifestyle creep and build a life that's fulfilling, purposeful, and financially secure. So, are you ready to take control of your finances and your life? Anyway, I've been Ben, also known as MX. If you enjoyed this episode, check out this video here. And as always, have a great day.